Yeah, I did it just to make sure I could fucking key down on the crybabies. Yeah, I can hear you. Sounding good? You all sound good up here. It's just a matter of what you're trying to get accomplished. You know what? Why don't you fucking take your flip-flops back to the car wash, buddy? You missed a spot in the stall. Shit. I'll do some more high-speed chicken feed, wig the fuck out, not knock my tires, cage up 3 brakes, and hit the fucking road until I lose fucking 4 retreads. Shut up, stupid. I'll show up, What you'll do is stop gargling your daddy's fucking balls for once and fucking do something with your life, loser. Fucking dumb fuck, shut up. Oh, that was fun. Yeah, he's still out there, bitch. Fucking crybaby. Guess who won't be home for Christmas? That fucking fag with no education. Guess who gets to see his wife tonight? Not that fag with no education. Yeah, don't forget, drivers, it's Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve. You gotta pray away the gay. Trump 2020, let's keep America great. Get your bitch ass out of the way. Woo, he went there. I think he's still crying, but I can't tell. He must be down south. He's so hopped up on fucking high-speed chicken feed, he'll fucking lose his mind. Santa is not going to bring you shit this year, sweetheart. Oh, fuck. If I had the Jackson, he'd be really fucking mad. That box will go in front of the Jackson. I'll put both echo boards in that motherfucker. 150 tone with the 5 tone with the single after that. Fucking running around, fucking Elmer Fudding everywhere. Brian, driver. Brian, keep crying or get on. Yeah, that's not so bad. That one wasn't so bad. Right? Oh, yeah, I know I had it howl in it from the get-go because my dumbass had the 148 up. Right on, it's here to do one thing. One thing only, lock motherfuckers down that didn't pay their $11. Pay your $11. What was that movie, Better Off Dead? Yeah, where's my $2? Is that you, Robert? Nice. Was that the 2517? Yo, I'm not going to talk too much shit. That motherfucker out here's too loud.